Okay, so here we have a refresher on the verb said. The verb said in English is to be. I'll give you the equivalent in English first, just as a little refresher, and then we'll move that aside and focus on the Spanish version of it. Okay? So in English, we just learned the pronouns. In English, when we conjugate the verb to be, it's I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you, or they are. Okay? The verb itself is just this word. These are the pronouns. Am, are, is, are, and then again are, if that makes any sense. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you are, and they are. Moving that aside, I'm going to give you the equivalent of all of those up here. So when we conjugate the verb said, we now have the word that's going to go here. It is not two words. Just like English, it's only one word. Okay? So in English, it's soy. Eres. Es. Somos. Sois. And son. Okay? That's how you conjugate the verb said. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, and son. If you want to say I am, you can say yo soy. You are. Tú eres. Él es. Nosotros somos. Vosotros sois y ellos son. But just the verb by itself is soy, eres, es, somos, sois, and son. Y es todo. That's all for the verb to be. Ser.